Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're just going to be doing a quick morning tidy up around the house just to get our day going. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and let's get started. So I'm just going to start the tidying up around the house with a cup of coffee. I'm going to get that brewing and then I'm going to start putting the pots and dishes away from last night.
I wanna know what's inside that heart of yours. Ooh, I feel paper thin. Ooh, when will you let me in? Do you let anyone get under your skin? You play it cool, but underneath I know you're hiding something. Do you let anyone get under your skin? I just wanna get to know you, so would you let me get to know you, boy? You feel so far away, though you're close. There's your heart that I wanna know. A penny for your thoughts. I wanna know what's inside the heart of yours. Ooh, I feel paper.
So here I'm just going to start organizing this cupboard. It is beyond disorganized. This is where I keep my baking stuff, like my sheets, my cookie sheets, the cupcake sheets. I keep the air fryer, the reusable shopping bags that we use when we go food shopping, paper plates. So it just needed to get tidied up and organized better.
Let me get to know you, boy. Would you let me get to know you, boy? Would you let me get to know you, boy? Would you let me get to know you, boy? Would you let me get to know you? Ooh, I feel.
So here I'm just filling up the purple jug of water with ice. I like drinking around 5 cups of these throughout the day. This is just how I control my water intake. I'm trying to drink a lot more water than I usually do. So this is how I just track my water intake, and you're gonna see me use this cup throughout like a lot of my videos because it holds 32 ounces of water.
Would you let me get to know you, boy? Would you let me get to know you, boy? Would you let me get to know you, boy? Would you let me get to know you, boy? Baby, I'm not mad at all. We both tried and tasted fall. Can't hold our love against the wall. No. Every inch of me is hurting and I just wanna leave it all behind. Yeah, I'm breaking up with you tonight. Yeah, you know it's hard to say. Yeah, you know we're not okay. I can see it in your face. We became a lonely place. 'Cause I'll know it's right, but you won't feel the pain alone. No, every inch of me is hurting and I just wanna leave it all behind. Yeah, I'm breaking up with you tonight. Yeah, you know it's hard to say. Yeah, you know we're not okay. I can see it in your face. We became a lonely place. Yeah, goodbye so long, my dear love. Love is forgotten, so I'm
So here I'm just gonna start making breakfast. This morning I'm having a bagel with cream cheese with some strawberries, and my daughter was having some Cheerios.
goodbye so long, my dear love. My dear love, love is forgotten, so I had to move on. So long, my dear friend. Yeah, yeah, we did our best until the very end. But goodbye, so long, my dear love.
Put your body on the kitchen table and move the dishes to the side. Yeah, girl, you always tend to drive me crazy, looking at me with those eyes. Yeah. Put some music on, turn the lights down low, throw the pillows off the bed, blow the candles out.
So now I'm just gonna fix the cushions on the living room, fold the blankets, and then spray with some Febreze just to freshen up the couches. And then we're gonna move on to the bathroom. I'm just gonna clean everything down.
Baby, I still wear the shirt you gave me, 'cause it reminds me of the times when I was down and you were there to save me, telling me that I'll be fine. Put some music on, turn the lights down low, throw the pillows off the bed, blow the candles out, move your body slow. If you got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it. If you got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go. You got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go. Baby, I'ma try to help you let it go. Oh no, try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it go.
So to clean the toilet, I just use the Clorox wand because it's disposable and you could just clean it and get rid of it, disinfect the wand, and then you're all good to go, instead of like the other typical wand cleaners that it just, to me, I feel like it just harbors bacteria. And I'm just gonna use the disinfectant wipes to wipe down the toilet seat and the toilet itself.
Moments, the light poets to me. You getting into my brain. I feel emotionally drained. You getting into my brain. You getting into my brain. You're new to me.
So after I'm done cleaning the toilet, of course, you gotta wash your hands. And I'm gonna change the garbage bag in the trash and start sweeping. And I cannot believe how much dirt and stuff I swept off from the floor. It was disgusting. You would think that I haven't cleaned the toilet or the bathroom itself in a very long time.
You getting into my brain. I feel emotionally drained. You getting into my brain. You getting into my brain.
And to finish it off, I'm just gonna mop with the Method Squirt and Mop in the almond scent. And I'm just gonna switch the bath mat to a clean one. And that was all for today's video. All I did was a quick tidy up and clean the bathroom real quick. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.